The suspect entered a not guilty plea, which is routine. As you mentioned, after the district attorney chose not to file the felony charges, the city attorney, Mike Fuhrer, filed 4 misdemeanor counts against the suspect, among them a battery count and then possession of a weapon with intent to assault. This is the suspect in court, Isaiah Lee, 23 years old. He is a homeless man who is currently receiving mental health counseling through a county social services program. He said he's awaiting housing. He's been waiting for 2 years. He said nothing as he was arraigned. As you mentioned, entered that not guilty plea. Earlier, City Attorney Mike Fuhrer, who of course is running for mayor of Los Angeles, put out this video statement about the case.
This alleged attack has got to have consequences, and this afternoon my office has filed charges alleging battery, possession of a weapon with the intent to assault, and charges relating to interfering with a performance. My office takes protecting public safety extremely seriously, and we are going to vigorously prosecute this case.
Bobby and Marla, as you saw, the suspect in court with a sling, his right arm was apparently broken, injured when he was taken into custody in that scuffle on Tuesday night. He had sort of a modified blue jail jumpsuit over it. The judge also, at the prosecution's request and at the request of an attorney for Dave Chappelle, who appeared, it wasn't clear if it was via video or via telephone, a protective order, keeping the suspect 100 yards away from Chappelle, 100 yards away from Chappelle's home, 100 yards away from any venue Chappelle might be performing at, and also including the Hollywood Bowl in that protective order, which is fairly routine. And he remains in custody at this point on $30,000 bail. The judge denied a request to release him on his own recognizance. Marla, Bobby?
It was interesting, Phil, to hear from Chappelle. He held that sort of secret show last night at the Comedy Store where he talked about it, and he actually asked LAPD if he could talk to the suspect before the suspect was taken away.
Right, and according to what Chappelle said, that the suspect told him that he was doing all this to get attention for his grandmother, whose home was being gentrified. Unclear where that is or whether that was accurate or not. But yeah, Chappelle and Chris Rock are joking about this every night. Obviously, if something more serious had happened, they wouldn't be making any jokes, right?
Yeah, no doubt. All right, Phil, we look forward to your report tonight at 5 o'clock. We appreciate it. Thanks, Phil.